Wait, you gotta say the title.
Title of this video, Emma Dances the Classics. First one, the sprinkler. You got the lawnmower. Start it, and start it, and start it, and push, and push, and push, and start it, and start it, and push. Then you got the shopping cart. Shopping cart. Get the groceries. Get the groceries. Get the groceries out. Get the groceries. Get the groceries. And push the cart. Push the cart. Get the Cabbage Patch.
Fist pump.
Oh. Gonna ride that train. Gonna ride the train. Choo choo train. The Arsenio Hall. In the YMCA. YMCA.
Let's see the lawnmower again.
The lawnmower. Gonna start it. And start it. And start it. And push the
You like that?
And start it. And start it. And start it. And the sprinkler. The sprinkler. And bow. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yay. Yay.
Emma, hi baby. Hi baby. Are you playing with daddy? Are you playing with daddy?